Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be my Amazon favorites. I was planning for this video for such a long time. Always purchase so many products from Amazon Prime, and I am really excited for today's video. I will not say that this is a huge Amazon favorites video because I have few products which are like few hair care products, and I have few products which I use for my makeup looks and stuff, and also I have few storage products as well. So yeah, without any further ado, if you're interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. So first I'm gonna start with few products because you guys are really interested how I do my Euphoria makeup look on my Instagram. I'm gonna put few pictures right over here so that you guys can just have an idea what I'm talking about. This one right over here, and this is what it looks like. It's a full bag of beautiful pearl stars, and they also have some flowers. They're like different kind of random half rounded pearls, and I just really love them. If you are a big fan of Euphoria makeup, which is like so trendy nowadays, or do face art or different kind of makeup looks, I think this is a great investment. If you're interested in craft work, want some embroidery products, some pearls, I think this is a perfect product for you. Just cost for rupees 580 or something, and they give you 100 pieces of embroidered pearls. So yeah, this is like my first favorite. Then I have this beautiful rhinestone from Amazon, and this only costs for 281 rupees. I think it's still available. I really love this particular product. They are so unique, they are so beautiful, and it's like so cheap as well. That's the most important part that I really love about this particular product. You guys always know I am always there for an affordable option. So I was just randomly searching out rhinestones. I saw this and I was like, I have to purchase this. And don't worry, all the links will be mentioned in the description box below, so you can just click the link and purchase the product if you want to. But actually for nail art decoration, like the product actually claims that this is for nail art decoration, but I use it for my makeup tutorials and stuff whenever I'm doing some fancy makeup look or some fancy makeup art. Then I also have this beautiful nail art stickers. Now one thing you guys may already know that I just love doing my nails. It's like a therapy for me whenever I do my nails. I don't know, I just love that time when I'm just watching a show or YouTube and I'm just doing my nails, kind of my self-care day. To be very honest, this is really not good if you want to use it as a nail sticker, because I don't know, the glue is very weak and it just comes off very easily. That's the reason I just hate using it whenever I'm doing my nails. I personally use it to do my face art. So here you have different kind of prints, and as you guys can see, you have some floral prints. You have like different kind of prints. So want a little bit of floral yellow touch, I'm gonna use it one over here and one over here with a wing eyeliner, and it creates such a beautiful look. So I use it for my face art especially. Blessed because my nails grow really fast and really healthy, but keeping a long nail is very hectic. It break off really easily and it bleeds, it hurts. That's the reason I stopped growing my nails, and that's why I use this set of fake nails from Amazon. I was searching for few fake nails and I randomly placed this order, but trust me guys, the quality of these nails are so good. This was I think for 280 or 250 rupees, and it's a set of 100 nails, and I just absolutely love the quality. The quality is so good. I have tried out so many different kind of fake nails from Amazon, but this is one of my favorite. I have tried out few fake nails which are like very like sharp. If you file them, it's like very sharp and it breaks off very easily. I personally don't really like, but these are like so good because this is very strong, and you can just file them, style them so easily. Any shape that you want. If you want a square shape, you can do it. If you want a coffin shape, you can do it. So you can do different kind of shapes. Make sure that the glue that you are using packaging is good and strong. Here's the glue that I use. You guys may already know this. This is also from Amazon. I think you can purchase this from anywhere, like any local store that you have. You can ask them for a nail glue. We'll just provide you with something like this. This is a nail glue which is very dangerous, so be very careful. It's very similar to a Fevikwik. This is not a Fevikwik. You know what, a very funny story. I just went to this local store nearby and I asked that person, they have a nail glue to just stick on fake nails, and he literally suggested me, why do you need a nail glue? You can just use Fevikwik. I was like, what? Never use a Fevikwik as a nail glue. Please don't do it. It's very dangerous. You can just rip off your own nail, so just don't do it. I'll talk about this jewelry set that I purchased from Amazon, and I am wearing one right now. Love this particular product. So this is from this brand Shining Diva. I really don't know about them, but searching for few hoop earrings, there I saw this particular product where you get 3 different kind of hoop earrings, 3 different size. This is actually the biggest size. This is like the smaller hoop, and this is like the medium size. And also it comes with different kind of stud earrings. I don't know where I kept half of them. Makeup tutorial and stuff. I just love layering jewelry. I think it's under 300 rupees, but the quality is really good. This product is this one right over here. Now this is also a nail art product, but I personally love it for my nails as well as for my face as well. And this is a product which is like so beautiful. You can actually use it for your craft works as well. So here you have small tubes where there are different kind of sparkles, glitters, different kind of stars. So you can use it accordingly. Not even that expensive. Packaging is like very bad. The packaging is really bad. But rather than that, the product is not bad. Multicolor 3D glitters, and you have I think 48 bottles. So yeah. I get a lot of question from where I purchased this particular eyelash. So this is the eyelash which I purchased from Amazon, and it comes with a glue as well, and I just really love product is because this is a mink eyelash, and it was I think for 400 rupees or something, and it's a set of 3. One I'm wearing right now, and it also comes with a glue. I'm wearing this for so long now. I used this particular product for my makeup tutorial and stuff. It looks so beautiful. I'm just going to zoom you guys in. You guys can see beautiful this eyelash is. One part that I don't like about this particular product is this glue. I don't think this glue is strong enough. It's like a okayish glue, not very extraordinary. Just this particular product from Amazon, and it's such a helpful product. Now this is a shampoo brush. This brush is a shampoo brush which you use when you are going to shampoo your hair, when you are going to wash your hair, and you actually use this brush to exfoliate your scalp. As we all know that exfoliating our skin is really important to remove the dead skin cells, just like that exfoliating your scalp is really important to remove the dead skin surface or any dandruff or anything. This is a really good product, and it's so gentle as well. You should not actually use it very roughly. Just gently massage it all over your scalp whenever you are shampooing your hair. Very unaware of this product until I saw few videos where people actually talk about this particular product, and they say it actually helps them so much to exfoliate their scalp. So that's why I purchased this particular product. I will film my hair care routine. If you guys want a hair care routine from me, so I will film that for you guys, and I will talk about this particular product in details. I purchased this particular product right over here. Is my beautiful personal favorite storage box. You guys know about this particular storage box because so many YouTubers, so many bloggers actually use this particular product. Extra large multi-purpose modular dryer storage system with 4 different sections, and this particular box is so convenient to use. I have all my makeup products right over here, so it's really difficult for me to just grab one by one. So that's the reason I was searching for something which will be very convenient, which contains few drawers and store few products, few PR packages, and also I can use it whenever I'm filming. Actually, I have it right over here in front of me, and I have all my makeup, all my products right in front of me. Do keep one thing in mind, it will not hold too much weight, obviously. The next product that I'm gonna talk about is this one right over here. So this is like fake leaves for decoration. You can just randomly search fake leaves. You know, I changed my setup, and this is like my favorite corner, my favorite setup, and you guys really love it. The reason I was thinking of adding a little bit of green on my background. The next product is this light right over here, pink fairy light, which I just added it because I really love this beautiful like pinkish tint. It's like a fairy light which is so pretty, so beautiful. So as you guys know, I always shave my face. I purchased this 3 razor from Amazon. This is a Tinkle razor. Each and every razor on Nykaa, they're out of stock, and it's like very frustrating and annoying. Searching for a few razor on Amazon, and they suggested me this one. So really great if you are into face shaving and stuff. I think you can definitely go for it. So I purchased this wig. If you follow me on my Instagram, you guys may know I filmed the entire tutorial wearing this particular product, and I will not say that this is a very great quality wig. Blonde wig which I purchased from Amazon, and I purchased it because of some fun tutorials for some fun makeup looks. As you guys know, I just love filming different kind of face art, different kind of makeup looks. For that reason I purchased it. I planned something for my YouTube. I planned that I'm gonna do a like full-on transformation video. So for that only I purchased this particular product, but I never filmed that video. There are a few wigs which are really expensive for 2000-3000 rupees. They are obviously a high quality wig, but I was searching for something which will be affordable and which will be a little bit of good in quality. So yeah, this is the product that I purchased. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed and find this video helpful. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.